Good morning. My name is Diana Serley Amaya Velandia, Valuation and Negotiation of Technology. Unit 3 Step 4 Understand it Negotiation. Ingrid Tatiana Gómez, Grupo 8080. Problems to negotiation biotechnology products. Problem related to the protection of intellectual property. Problem related to evaluate technology. Problem related negotiation. Technology transfer. It consists of the transfer of technology, speed, and keynote at the outward small companies to continue improving their products. Warrants the increase in the market. Adventure. This transfer through the contract implemented with the company allow reducing production costs, adds to new markets, increase staff training, routes the risks of the loss to the company groups, facilitates investment. Recommendation. Intelligence promise protection. Proper PAN registration. Apply titunes applies different your product offerings. Prevent of companies from marketing your products. Technology as assessment, studies of internet and external products developed and capacity in the employee. Thank you.